Welcome to fourth AV. For there drifted out to Sophie's ears sweet music that caught and held him transfixed against the convulsions of the iron fence. The moon was above, full and radiant. Radiant means shining. एक चंद्रप्रकाश जो आहे तो अतिशय तेजस्वी असा पडलेला आहे. रॅडियंट प्रकाशमान आहे. व्हीकल्स अँड पेडेस्ट्रियन्स मीन्स वॉकिंग पर्सन. Vehicles and pedestrians were few. Sparrows sleepily. Twittered means sound of the bird. Twittering sound is here. Sparrows twittered sleepily in the eaves. Eaves means uh, over bulging edges of the roof. छपराखालची जी कडा असते त्याला eaves असं म्हणतात. Over bulging edges of the roof. In the eaves or a little while the scene might have been a country churchyard, and the anthem that the organist played cemented Soapy to the iron face. Cemented means settled firmly. एका ठिकाणी स्थिर होणं. Cemented Soapy to the iron fence. For he had known it well in the days when his life contained such things as mothers and roses and ambitions and friends and immaculate thoughts. Here immaculate means perfectly clean and tidy. Immaculate पवित्र शुद्ध या अर्थाने एक चांगले विचार जे आहे त्या दृश्याने त्याच्या मनात यायला लागले. कुठला एक बदल जो आहे सोपीमध्ये आता घडतोय. द कंजंक्शन हिअर मीन्स टू ऑर मोर इव्हेंट्स ऑकरिंग ॲट द सेम टाइम. दोन घटनांचा संयोग होणं या अर्थाने दोन अवस्था एकत्र येणं. द कंजंक्शन ऑफ सोपीज रिसेप्टिव्ह स्टेट ऑफ माइंड and the influences about the old church brought a sudden and wonderful change in his soul. He viewed it with rising horror the pit means large hole on the ground, pit into which he had tumbled means fell suddenly, tumbled, and the degraded means inferior, disrespectful, लाजिरवाणे असे दिवस जे आहे. The degraded days, unworthy desires, dead hopes, wrecked faculties, wrecked means damage, destroyed, wrecked faculties and base motives that made up his existence. And also in a moment his heart responded thrillingly to his strange mood. A strong impulse means motivation, एक प्रेरणा जी आहे त्या गीताने झालेली मनात निर्माण झालेली आहे. A strong impulse, prerna, motivation. A strong motivation moved him to battle with his desperate fact. Desperate means having a great desire. Desperate fact, अतीव जी इच्छा आहे मनातली. Desperate fact. He would pull himself out of the mire. Mire means a complicated or unpleasant situation from which it is difficult to free oneself. Mire, एक जी दुरावस्था आहे mire, and would make a man of himself again. He would conquer the evil that had enslaved him. Enslave means lost freedom of choice or action. गुलाम होणं या अर्थाने enslaved him. There was time he was young yet he would resurrect means restore to life. पुन्हा एकदा पुनर्जीवित करणे या अर्थाने. ही वुड रिझरेक्ट हिज ओल्ड इगर ambition and pursue them without faltering. Faltering means losing strength. Faltering लटपटणे या अर्थाने. Without faltering. Those solemn but sweet organ. Solemn means holy, bless, पवित्र, आशीर्वादित या अर्थाने. Those solemn but sweet organ notes had set up a revolution in him. Tomorrow he would go into the roaring downtown district and find work. A fur importer had once offered him a place as a driver. He would be somebody in the world. He would. Soapy felt a hand laid on arm. Had hand laid an arm. He looked quickly around into the impassive face of a policeman. What are you doing here? Asked the officer. Nothing, said Soapy. Then came along, said the policeman. 3 months on the island, said the magistrate in the police court the next morning. Okay, we come up to this part, that means here. Of course, it is mine. The ex umbrella man retreated. Soapy was in a state of panic. He thinks that he was so unhappy he thought the arrests seemed to be an unattainable place. Now, Soapy arrived at a Madison Square here. Madison Square. There was an old church with calm, peaceful atmosphere. Through one violet stained window, Soapy, a soft light glowed where the organist plays the organ, practicing Sabbath anthem. The notes of music transfixed Soapy. With a passive mind, Soapy tried to listen the sound. He had known it well in the days when his life contained such a things as mother and roses and ambitions and friends. There was big transformation in Soapy's receptive mind. Now he wanted to change himself, moving out from such a degraded days, dead hopes, base motives. Now he decided to start new life and find work. A fur importer had once offered him a fur importer had once offered him a place as a driver. He would be somebody in the world. Suddenly, Soapy felt a hand laid on arm. He looked quickly and saw the impassive face of the policeman. Policeman asked him, "What are you doing here?" Soapy said, "Nothing." "Then come along," said the policeman. And lastly, there was a jail, that is arrest of 3 months for Soapy. And in this way, lastly, when Soapy want to change, he want to start new life, unfortunately there was the arrest. And in this way, the tragic end of Soapy's receptive mind, Soapy's sensitive mind was happen here. And the tragic condition of Soapy and his desires given here, the cop and the anthem. Here we stop, and in the next part we go to brainstorming session. Okay, thanks a lot. Thank you.